In mid-March, a nurse locally contacted us saying that they didn't have access to what they felt was enough PPE. And they didn't have a way to get their hands on more, so they were interested in getting a certain model 3D printed for them. One thing led to another, things kept getting a little bit more serious. It was mentioned to us this idea of the mask factory, the beer hall mask factory. So we delivered our inventory of 3D printers, and we have 125 3D printers here that are running 24/7. These community designed 3D printed masks have gotten better and better and better, more comfortable, more effective, easier and quicker to print. So we're now at about 20,000 masks that have all been donated. So after these fleet of 3D printers are done with their job, they're done being used, they'll be cleaned up, boxed back up, and donated to K through 12 schools. And we've already identified school districts that we'll be working with for the 4th year of the additive education program that will receive set number of printers from the mask factory at no cost. So those will be donated after they're done being used.